Hello,
Hi Rakesh, how are you?
I am doing good. Thank you for asking, sir.
How is
How
your day?
about you? How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. So we're meeting for the first time, Rakesh. So please, could you introduce yourself?
We are meeting for the first time. Yes, and as you know, my name is Rakesh, and I am from Ahmedabad city in Gujarat, and I have been working in chemical company as environmental executive. So yeah, that was a brief introduction of me, of
You're
myself.
working as an environmental expert.
Yeah, environmental engineer. I am an environmental engineer. So as the
Very good.
executive, I work. Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay.
Mm.
So Rakesh, did you have a chance to look at today's session material?
No, sir. Randomly, we can go with the session document, either with the session document or any kind of topic as you like.
Okay, so today's topic is really easy. It's on personality. Okay. Okay, so let's talk about personality itself. Um, so So just one thing I'd like to ask you, Rakesh, before we start. There are some learners on our platform who just wish to practice speaking, and there are
Mm.
others who would like us to correct them as well. So would you like me to correct you if you make a mistake?
Yes, you can correct me but at the end of as I correct my sentence, after that you can correct me so that I can understand where I make it. So
So
it
I
is,
should so I should correct you on the spot.
yeah, on the spot. But as I complete my sentence, after that on the spot you can correct me. As we are talking, and you ask me question. So I answered all the things. If the all things are covered, after that, wherever I made mistake, you can correct me.
Sorry, Rakesh, I was getting Rakesh, I was getting an incoming call, so I couldn't hear what you said.
No problem. No.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was talking. I was speaking like as you asked me question and I answered your question. Like I answer your question. So at that time, as I complete my sentence, after that you can correct me.
Okay.
That is
Okay.
what I. Did you
Okay.
get
Very
that? What I?
Yes. Yes. I heard. Very good. So
Okay.
since today's topic is on personality, we're going to speak about personality, right? So, do you think a person can change their personality?
Yes, overall personality can be changed, and a person can change his or her personality.
Okay, very good. So, what personality traits do you think make a good leader?
Good leader, like initiation is very important to become
Sorry,
a good leader.
initiation.
Initiation, like yeah, initiating is very important.
Okay.
Are you getting my voice? Can you
Yep.
hear me, sir?
Yeah, I can hear
Yes,
you.
yes. Like if anything, if there is any project to be completed or to there. So we first, as a leader, we have to go first to understand the situation and where the things are needed to get it completed. So initiation is very important. And another thing is like responsible person. Like it is not about just assigning the task. Also, like leaders, as a leader, we have to understand the situation, and after that, we have to analyze all those things and respond. We have to be responsible for a particular situation or the project. So
Okay.
responsibility.
Can you just keep your phone closer to your mouth? Yeah. So,
Yes.
yeah, yeah.
Well, it is. I am using my Bluetooth device. So sorry
Oh,
for
okay.
that. But if you don't
Okay.
get my voice, I
No,
can disconnect this.
no, it's okay. Just that's fine. Just continue. All right, just continue. Mhm.
So I described three things: responsibility and initiation, and another thing is like understanding the situation.
Okay.
Hmm.
All right. Any
Hmm.
other personality trait that makes a good leader? Anything else?
Yes, sir. And also there is a making a good team. We have to understand like each each and every employee's weakness as well as like power or like positivity, so that we
Power?
can
What is it? Power?
power means positivity.
Positivity.
Positivity. We all have like some things like which uh, indicates positivity of us and all those things. So positivity and negativity, we have to understand like
Mm-hmm.
positivity of each and every employee, so that as a leader or as a leader, we can assign the task, and also we have to understand each and every employees like where they are lacking, so that we can give them training. So that is, and communication skill is also very important. Is it plays crucial role for overall for developing overall personality. Like without communication, I don't think anyone can be a good leader. So communication skill plays very important role as per my opinion.
Okay. So you said that we need to understand each one's positivity, right?
Positivity, yes, I
Okay. So positivity is not a correct word. Okay.
okay.
You should say we need to understand each one's positive points and negative points. Positivity is not is a incorrect word in this situation. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir.
All right. So is there any personality trait that you wish you had but you do not have?
I have been following so many personality, like so many people, but I didn't think like I just want to be myself. I just learn I learn every day to improve myself. I want to become a better version of myself, but I don't follow anyone. I don't, yeah, to be honest, I don't follow anyone. Sometimes I just watch story of uh, few people like Bruce Lee and Swami Vivekanand. So I just I inspired by them.
Sorry,
So that is what
I inspired by them.
yes, I get inspiration. I get inspiration from them.
I
Yes.
get inspiration from them. Okay.
So that is what I do, but I don't think I wish any personality I would have. Yes,
Uh,
I just want to become better version of myself. Yes. Sorry, are you going to speak something?
no, no. You, no, it's fine.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. So you can also give your opinion on overall personality and leadership.
Um,
What do you
yes.
think about uh, we have to do to become a good leader? Or yeah.
Yeah. So, no, sorry, I was getting an incoming call and I missed some of the words you said. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. I want your opinion as well because we are talking. It is a two-way conversation.
So you
So
want
if
you want my opinion on how to become a good leader?
yes, you can share your experience or your thoughts so that
Uh,
we can have more conversation.
uh, in my opinion, a good leader has uh, two traits. One is he has a vision. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And that's the first thing. And the second thing is that he is able to motivate people to achieve that vision. So
Okay, okay.
so if you look at all the major leaders, I'm talking about the world
Mm-hmm.
leaders, they
Yes.
have a vision and they motivate other people to reach that vision, to reach that goal. So I'm not really talking about corporate leaders. I'm talking about politicians and world leaders.
Mm-hmm.
Like uh, so there has been studies done. There have been studies done,
Mm-hmm.
and these are the two things that people have found, that they have a vision, a big vision, a great vision, and they're able to motivate and inspire other people to reach that goal.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes. I also. So, have you completed, sir? Or
Yeah, I've completed.
okay. And one thing I got in a great leader that they are instantly decision. Uh, they can take decision easily, not easily, but instantly within a limit, within a time of period, they can take decision. They are good decision maker. In a
Okay.
good leader that I have seen, they can take decision easily, even uh, they face difficulty
Mm,
in any situation, they can take decision. So
mm,
whether its result could be not in their favor, but they take decision and they make it correctly.
mm.
That is what I think. Yeah, like in our like uh, in reality or in our life, there something happens the situation is not in our favor. So
Mm.
at that time we just uh, we get confusion it is good to take this kind of decision or not, so we just get stuck. But at that time we need to understand and we have to take decisions so that we can become a good leader.
Mm.
So decision making is very very important in our life.
Okay.
Like
So you said just now that we get confusion, is it? Is that what you said?
yes, I
Okay.
said
So you don't say we get confusion, you say we get confused.
we get confused.
Yeah.
Okay.
So here there's a mistake in, I would say, tense.
Mm, okay.
Yeah, we get confused. Okay.
Confused.
Yeah. So
Mm.
are there any personality traits in other people that you dislike? Or what personality traits in other people do you dislike or hate?
I think I just I hate the people there. People who just like in reality they have not faced any difficulty and they just talk about. They just speak about the things even they don't know. So nowadays on social media, like we can see, I'm not going to give you tell you the name of anyone, but we can see like on social media so many reels are there, so they just talk about that even like, and in reality they don't know what is going to happen if someone does it, or if they misguide the people. That kind of personality I don't like. Misguide means they just speak and they don't know what is exact result, what is uh, how it is going to be troubleful. So they don't know. They just mugging up the things and they just speak. So that kind of personality I don't
Okay, so you don't like people who don't understand the problem and they just
don't
talk without
understand,
understanding the
and
problem.
yeah,
Is
they
that
speak without understanding the situation. Like they listen from someone or listen, yeah, they got information from someone and they are just sharing with the other. They don't know like it is uh, good or not, or it is okay to share with the other or not, or what, how it is good or bad for the other people. They don't know its exact result. So that is what I don't like.
okay? You said just now that they listen from someone, right?
Yeah, they listen from someone.
Okay, so you don't say they listen from someone. You can say
Mm-hmm.
either they listen to someone
Mm-hmm.
or they have heard from someone.
Okay.
Okay, so here there's a mistake in preposition.
Preposition.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So basically, you're saying, for example, that in case in I guess you're referring to people talking about certain projects without understanding the situation, and they just go on talking based on wrong information or
Yes,
based
yes.
without understanding the situation. They're just talking.
They just talk. They
Okay.
don't know even it is going to be it spoils their future, like children's future or people who are listening to him or her. Yes.
Okay. All right. So which personality traits do you think make a good friend?
Good friend, like honesty is very very important in every aspect of our life. Like
Mm-hmm.
if you are honest, I think we can make a good people. Even you don't have like that much money, but if you are honest with yourself and to the other people, we are honest with us and other people, so that we can be a good friend or we can make good friends.
Okay. And apart from honesty?
Apart from honesty, like helping others,
Okay.
can help to the in bad situation. At least we can listen to them, and after that we can give solution to the people who,
Okay.
yes,
Okay.
so that
Uh,
can be helpful.
okay. And which personality traits do you think make a good father?
Good father. I think for being good father, I think we have to understand first our child. We have to understand the children's opinion first. Our children's opinion, like because different people have different thinking. So we have to first understand our children's think, and accordingly we can guide them. We
Mm-hmm.
can guide our children, like what exactly they are going to do, and how means it can be affected or it can affect their life. Like if someone
Okay.
wants to be a musician, so is it in trend, or like how, like they can learn it,
Okay.
and
Okay.
with that how, yeah,
Okay.
how they can also do other activities along with that, so that their future could be bright, or
Okay.
yes.
Okay. Let's stop here, Rakesh, because our time is coming to an end. And let me give you my feedback before the session ends. So I was very pleased with how you spoke to me,
Okay,
because
thank
what I liked is that you spoke to me spontaneously. There were no pauses in your speech, and you could articulate your thoughts well. You could
thank you.
express your thoughts well, and I understood everything you said. So you spoke clearly, hmm, and you spoke well. So you did a very good job. I'm very pleased. There were only few mistakes which were grammatical, few mistakes in tense
Mhm.
and preposition, but very few. Okay. So on the
Okay.
whole, you did a very good, excellent